Welcome to your one-stop investment guide on how to invest on the moomoo app. I'm Olivia Higgins. This episode is about how you can embrace uncertainty in the current markets. Open your moomoo app. Go to Cash Plus. Here are the options available for you to explore. To activate the Smart Save function, just scroll down and click Manage Smart Save to automate your fund strategy. You may also want to use this tool to maximize the earning potential of your idle money while you figure out your potential next move when overall sentiments in the market remain uncertain. Next, with crisis, there's opportunity. Here's a tool you can use. On the moomoo app, tap on Funds. Here you have all the available funds you can access, such as equity funds, bond funds, balance funds, alternative funds, and the rest as well. Let's say you like to check out your equity funds. Simply tap on it. Select the fund you like to track, and you'll have the full details of the fund's performance, news, analysis, and summary. You can also access the updated fund documents like its fact sheet right here for more. This is useful for investors who would like to understand and fundamentally analyze its historical returns before making a decision. You can also compare its rankings by going back to the main funds page, click on Rankings, and you can track and compare the available funds right here by doing a comparative analysis by performance, by RSP, by popularity. Take it a step further and adjust the time frame accordingly, or use the filter tool on the right-hand side right here. There you go. These comparative tools are made available so you can customize and comprehensively analyze on a macro level how a particular fund stands amongst others before you make a more informed investment decision. Why are funds important? As an active investor, it's important to constantly re-strategize accordingly to suit one's investment goals, risk tolerance, and appetite. These tools offered, such as the Funds tab, will give you the platform to help you balance between risk and reward in uncertain market conditions. By providing you with various options, we want to guide you towards making a more wholesome and informed decision for yourself while you figure out your next investment move. Take action of your own portfolio even in the eye of uncertainty. Make sure you utilize these tools to actively manage your investments while putting your idle cash to work for you. We care for your financial well-being, so follow us. For more videos like these, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get to work. Have a profitable day.